Welcome to Casting Disney Plus from your phone to your TV. This convenient feature lets you use your phone as a remote control while watching your favorite Disney content on the big screen. Imagine enjoying Disney Plus anywhere in your home. With Casting, you can start watching on your phone and seamlessly continue on your TV. See how easy it is. People everywhere are casting Disney Plus to their TVs for a better viewing experience. The Disney Plus app on your phone connects directly to your TV, giving you full control while enjoying the larger screen. To cast Disney Plus using Chromecast, you'll need a Chromecast device connected to your TV. There are different Chromecast models available, including the standard Chromecast, Chromecast Ultra, and Chromecast with Google TV. To start casting, open the Disney Plus app on your phone. Look for the cast icon in the app and tap it. Select your Chromecast device from the list. Your Disney Plus content will now appear on your TV screen. Start by opening the Disney Plus app on your phone and look for the cast icon. Tap the cast icon to see a list of available devices. Select your TV from the list. Your Disney Plus content will now appear on your TV screen. Enjoy watching. AirPlay is designed specifically for Apple devices and works with smart TVs that support AirPlay too, including brands like LG, Samsung, and Sony. Here's how it looks. On one side, your iPhone, and on the other, your compatible smart TV ready for casting. The AirPlay icon will appear on your phone's screen when connecting to supported devices. Start with your iPhone playing a Disney Plus video. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the Control Center. In the Control Center, tap the screen mirroring icon to see available AirPlay devices. Select your TV's name from the AirPlay device list to start casting. The Disney Plus video will now play on your TV screen through AirPlay. For a simple wired alternative, connect your phone directly to the TV using an HDMI cable adapter. This provides a reliable, high-quality connection without needing wireless networks. For iPhones, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter. Simply plug the Lightning end into your phone and connect the HDMI end to your TV's HDMI port. For Android phones, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Connect the USB-C end to your phone and plug the HDMI into your TV. This diagram shows the complete setup. Your phone connects to the adapter, which then plugs into the TV's HDMI port for direct video output. Take a close look at the HDMI port on your TV or laptop. It's the standard rectangular connector that carries both video and audio signals. HDMI cable connections provide the most stable and highest quality streaming experience, perfect when wireless options aren't available or reliable. If you see no devices found, first check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure both devices are on the same network. If your video is buffering, check your internet connection speed. A slow connection can cause interruptions. For app issues, make sure your Disney Plus app is updated to the latest version. If using an HDMI cable, clean the connectors with a microfiber cloth to ensure a good connection. With these tips, you should be able to enjoy casting Disney Plus from your phone to TV without issues. Happy watching.